I'm back. So this piece right here on Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled Sweet Aroma. It has scent written on the front of the tank top, Xcluhniyzta written on the back. It has Sweet Aroma written on the top of the sweater. And then on the legs, it has Faith Moves written on the sweatpants. It has different music notes and different music terms written on the sweatpants. Kraizi Moves on the sleeves. This is the perfect piece for anyone who loves music, for anyone who is a believer as well. Scent is indicative for us being sent out in the earth to be fishers of men for the glory of God, to compel men to come to Christ. We are in the last days, y'all. Get your soul right. All right, y'all. If you're feeling this piece, head on over to KollecZion.com. Peace.
Trying to do a photo shoot by yourself. I can't get my third piece over my fro with these butterflies in my head.
Greetings. The name of this piece on the Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled It's Raining Dance, aka Be Colorful. As you can see, there's a lot going on with this piece that only a true fashionista who loves exclusive fashions will love. And you can only find it on Kraizi Xcluhniyzta presents Kraizi Movez. So if you're feeling this piece, head on over to KollecZion.com and place your pre-order right now. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at KollecZion. All right, peace. Greetings. This piece on the Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled It's a Celebration. That's right. This is the perfect piece to wear when you're celebrating a birthday or any type of occasion for that matter. So if you're feeling this piece, head on over to KollecZion.com and place your pre-order now and follow us on IG and Facebook at KollecZion. Peace. Holla. This piece on the Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled Brown Sugar. As you can see, it says Kraizi Vacay Moves on the front, and it has the KM acronym for the brand name Kraizi Movez written on the front and the back. If you like this piece, head on over to KollecZion.com and place your pre-order now. Peace. This piece on Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled Flower Bomb. That's right, there is a floral bomb party taking place all over this scuba style swimsuit. If you like what you see, head on over to KollecZion.com and place your pre-order now. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at KollecZion. All right, peace. Holla. Hey future Xcluhniyztas, this piece on the Kraizi Xcluhniyzta presents Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled Vacation. That's right, this is the perfect piece to wear out on vacation while you're with your husband or your significant other. You can also wear it on a beach, on a resort, on a cruise ship, any type of vacation. If you like this piece, head on over to KollecZion.com and place your pre-order now. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at KollecZion. All right, peace. Holla. This piece on the Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled Crazy Chess Moves. That's right, we play chess, not checkers. If you like this piece, head on over to KollecZion.com and place your pre-order now. Peace. Holla. This piece on the Kraizi Movez Premier Collection is titled I'm Running Man. On the leggings, it has two sneaker legs with the Kraizi Movez written in the middle. And as you can see on the top, it has the sneaker leg splatter all over it. And on the arms, it says Moves. So get to moving, get to running, get to working out, be bold and be fierce in all that you do. All right, y'all. If you're feeling this piece, head on over to KollecZion right now and place your pre-order. Peace. Holla.